what we really want to hear is that using the breath, it's like a silver ray, and you will be gliding from one note to another, and it will be wonderful projection, and it will go so smoothly, you know, this line, that there will be no like stitches, so there will be no different parts. It's like one unit. And when you sing the second phrase, for instance, when it goes here, when it goes, you really need to sing this two notes. In fact, there are quite a lot of similar rhythmic patterns here throughout the whole piece. It doesn't mean the ornaments, it doesn't mean that it has to be yeah, don't try to do it too fast. The accompanist, in this case it is me, the accompanist will always wait. But saying that, it has to be strictly on 4. Yeah, so there's, of course, there is certain pulsation in this music. Very important to keep it up within the position. Very important to connect all the vowels, to put them up again, yeah, and to keep up the breath, and to formulate the vowels correctly in the correct place, you know, against the upper palate, to move, to project the air of the silver stream into the resonators. Yeah, we'll do it again. Okay. All the notes in the cadence need to be with a good sound. It has to be rounded tone, not like running, you know, scaly passage. But you really need to sing it, to sing with the meaning, yeah, and to sing it like a melody, but a very beautiful melody, which has a sense. So this, when you do. Yeah? If you want to take the breath before that's fine, but it has to be, yeah, not exactly the passage, the scale itself, yeah, mechanical.